So if you make cinematic travel films, I bet you're always looking for the next best transition you can put in your videos to make it so much more interesting. Well, today I'm gonna show you one of the coolest ways to create your travel videos and make them so much more cooler to just watch in general. Okay, so I'm open right now in Filmora and let me show you how simple this is to do this transition. So basically all you need is the one clip that you want to transition to, that you want to zoom through the text. So the first thing you obviously want to do, you want to select your text. So the best one is probably going to be the default title. You want to put that in your timeline, as well as when you go to stock media, you want to grab a blank black background. So then you just drag that beneath the text like that. Okay, now once you're here, you can change the text to whatever you want it to say. So I'm just gonna say hello. And then the best part is you have to make the text a bit more bold, and then also try to cover, you don't have to cover the entire frame, but it's better if it's a bit bigger. Okay, so just like that. Now that is one of the simplest parts. So now you have your text and then the black background behind it. Now simply all you have to do is here at the corner you press on this little camera icon and then you take a snapshot. Okay, so now your snapshot will be there in your media folder. So now you can delete these. Now you want to drag in your snapshot, and then you want to drag in your video you want to transition to below that. So let's just take this one up like that. Cool. So now what you want to do is you obviously want to do a zoom effect. So what you want to do is you want to press on the snapshot and then go to crop and then pan and zoom. Now this one you want to make as small as you can. So you can choose a letter which you want to transition to. So let's just do this one and then you say apply. Okay, so now it's gonna zoom through like that. Cool. Now here at the very end where this is, you want to take another snapshot of that. Say okay, then you want to drag in that snapshot right next to it. So now you have a snapshot of the little close-up of that L like that. Cool. Now on that snapshot you want to also go to crop and then pan and zoom, and then you want to adjust the zoom so it's just on the white part. So like that. Let's just put it in the middle and then boom, boom. So now it is basically in the middle. Say apply, boom. So now when you zoom, it's gonna go basically through. So the thing now you want to do is you want to make this one a bit shorter so it zooms a bit faster, and then you can obviously adjust this way more cleaner, so you can go back to pan and zoom and make this one a little bit smaller because it's already a bit zoomed in. There you go, and then it becomes completely white. So now what you want to do is you want to press on the snapshot, double press, and then go to blend mode, and you want to change the blend mode to multiply like that. So now you'll have your text that looks see-through, so then it will zoom in like that, and then simply do the same with the other snapshot, make it multiply, and there you have it, as simple as that. Boom. So there you have it. Now you know how to zoom through your text, and as you guys can see, it is so simple to do this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.